Hello friends. Today, we will discuss about Python function. What is function? Function is a self-contained block of statement, which is used /call in the program as per requirement. Example, print function is used to print and max function is used to find maximum value. Each function have different meaning and task or purpose. Function have two type. First, user-defined. Second, predefined function. Let's see a live example of Python function. What is predefined function? Predefined function are the function which is already defined by Python and it is used from its library. Example, max, print, sum, round, etc. Let's see an example that how to use it. X equals max 45, 35 print x when it execute, output will be 45. Here, x is a variable and max is a predefined function, which is used to find out the largest value. So, in 45, 35, the largest value is 45. User-defined function means it is defined by programmer/user as per his requirement in program. User can create its own function, which will called inside the program. Example, name, school, my_ function. It is created by using adding def keyword in your function. Example, def my_ function, def school, etc. Let see a live example. What is user-defined function?